To manage the collection log in WISE option, you click on Stallion Management and you go for Collections. And to enter your collection, here is going to show you the collection log, a list of all collections entered into WISE option. And to add a new collection, you click on the New Collection button. To find the list of stallions, you can simply type the name or check the box for all so you can see all the stallions. As soon as you select the name of stallion and you tab over, down here on this side, you're going to see the number of shippings for the days and the number of brood mares or donor mares for breeding on site set on the day. The shipping is coming strictly from the shipping requests, and the breeding is coming from the mare management side. To learn more about the breeding side, please refer to the mare management. If you click on the question marks, it's going to provide you the list accordingly, and you can also see the breeding calendar for that day. But continuing with the collection itself, I'm just going to move my mouse to the side and tab using the tab key. You can refer and check the date and time, mount, AV type, the liner type, and we're going to start entering some data here for the collection. So let's say that this collection was something like 58 mils. We didn't control the gel volume, so we're going to put 0. Concentration, let's say that it was 156 millions per mil. And you're going to find two text boxes here: the total motility, initial and post centrifugation. So we're going to just put the initial here. Let's say that initial was 90%. As soon as I enter the progressive percentage for the motility, you're going to notice that our math helper is going to start crunching some numbers for us. So let's say that the progressive was about 80%. And as soon as I enter this number, you're going to see that the suggestion for 500 million cells is going to be 4 mils of raw semen, and for 1 billion cell is going to be about 8 mils for 1 billion cells. If you have the equipment that tracks the rest of the data, these are optional. Of course, the more the better. And some extra data here will be considered for our Stallion board, where we're going to track all the shippings and we're going to manage the Stallion collections for the day. Once you determine how your dosage is going to be for shippings, you can enter the numbers over here on this breeding option, which is informational. We're going to show you later where this information is going to show, as well as if the dose was centrifuged or applied the EquiPure process. As soon as you complete filling up the data, you just save that record and the collection will be presented to you in the log. So today we've learned how to enter our collection in the Management for Collections Stallion Management in WISE option. Thanks for watching.